so much stuff.
Yeah. Please take as much as you want.
Thank you so much.
If it's not marked, then it's yours.
Okay, you guys, we randomly stopped at that yard sale right there, and we've never really been to a yard sale, so
check out this haul.
that's our haul. We're actually gonna be making a video now. Wow, this is so exciting. Are you excited about the haul?
Yeah, not so much my stuff.
Yeah, sorry.
Mainly just all yours.
Just me. All right. How do I, okay. Guess I'll just sit like this today. Oh, okay. Hey guys, what's up? It's Nika with Fashionika, and the reason I am on the ground right now is because of this bad boy right here. We went thrifting, but it's not like your typical thrifting where we go to a Goodwill or a thrift store. We went to a yard sale, and oh my god, that was so much fun. Let me start off by saying we did not intentionally plan to go to a yard sale, but the funny thing was, it was like a nice morning and I was just like, you know what would be fun? If we went to a yard sale. And I've never uttered those words before, solely because I've actually never been to a yard sale. I've always just wanted to go to like one and like haggle and deal. We looked up on Craigslist yard sales and there were none in our area, and so I was just like, okay, whatever. I mean, we'll go to a yard sale if we like stumble upon one and we have free time. We're not gonna like go out and like look for a yard sale and drive like 30 miles away. My boyfriend and I were like, okay, yeah, let's go to Laguna Beach. It's so beautiful there. If you live in California, you know that Laguna Beach is typically like the artsy location, so it'd be great for pictures, walking around, just a nice romantic date. And so we drove there, and when we were looking for parking, you have to pay for parking, and we didn't want to pay for parking, so there are streets where people live where you're able to park for free. We went looking for parking, and we just so happened to stumble upon a yard sale. We're like, oh, that's perfect. What great timing when we're talking about a yard sale, and then just one pops up on the street that we park on. So basically the person who was holding the yard sale was the lady who was moving to Massachusetts, who had 30 years worth of old stuff that she was just trying to get rid of before she moved. She told us if it doesn't have a price tag, then it's for free. So I don't know if that's typically how yard sales work, but we were like, oh, lit, like, okay. And so we start shopping around, and she had like a good amount of items, but there was one item that really caught my eye, and you guys will find out what it was, but basically that was the only one that had a price tag, and the other pieces that we grabbed had no price tag, meaning we got everything for free except for that one item. But when I look at it, I did the math, and like I divided like how many items we had so that I would see like how much we technically got each thing for. So anyways, without further ado, let's dive into this crazy sale. Oh my god, it's just crazy because I feel like it was so meant to be, but you'll find out what I am talking about. Anyways, let's dive in. I was gonna show you the pieces that Quang grabbed. He hardly grabbed anything. This is basically my whole box, but he did grab like this random Yoda stuffed animal, and he said he wanted to take it to work because he's inspired by the wisdom of Yoda. So I am helping him decorate because he just moved into this apartment, and we're going for, you know, a very palm theme, and so I thought this was perfect. He was actually the one that found these. So the first one is this mirror. It is like a mint wood color, this little palm tree print. I like it because it reminds me of the Philippines, and I thought it worked really well with, you know, kind of what we're going for. Now that we got all of Quang's stuff out of the way, I'm gonna show you my haul, and I'm so excited because, dude, like, the girl was so generous. Like, I think she was in her like late 50s. She obviously is someone important because she was saying the Yoda doll that Quang got was actually a gift from like some famous celebrity that was trying to court her, and we're like, oh, okay, that's legit. So the first item that I grabbed is actually not really my style, but she was like so insistent that like I try it on. I'm like, it's not my style, but maybe I could style it some way where I would actually rock it. She said she bought this in Europe when she went on vacation like 20 years ago. It's just this really cute print of like this really chic looking girl. It's a little fit and flare. And she was so sweet because she was like, if it doesn't fit you, just donate it or give it away to one of your friends. So yeah, she was very, very giving, and I really liked that about her. You could tell she was very genuine. The next item that I grabbed is, oh my god, I'm so excited about it because I was already thinking of like how I'm gonna style this. It is this beautiful, beautiful sequin jacket, entirely made of sequins, and I'm like, oh my god, I could totally wear this for New Year's Eve or like Christmas time or the holidays in general. This has to have been like pretty pricey, but she gave it to me for free. I think I really connected with her because I mean, I freaked out. Like, her style is so cool, and I kept telling her that even though she hadn't worn these pieces like 20 years ago. It's crazy that these are like still something that I would totally rock to this day. Oh, it's so cool. I would wear it just over the shoulder like so, but I just love the way it shines, and oh my god, it's gonna look so good when you're like walking around. You can tell like the craftsmanship. Like, look at this. They really put work into this, because this does not look easy to make. But anyways, moving on to the next item. I've been buying a lot of belts lately because I realized that that's kind of like a void in my closet. So I grabbed this leather one. This is just like this nude, small skinny belt, easy piece to throw into my wardrobe for that like little pop. And then this one, oh my god, I was so excited about because y'all know how I love cheetah, leopard. I never know the difference. It is this like fur cheetah belt. It's gonna look so good with an all black outfit. Oh my god. It's like fur instead of it just being like a print. I thought it was really unique. So I grabbed that too. And she was like really thankful that I grabbed this because she's like, oh, I love that belt so much. It stopped fitting like 10 years ago. So I was like, I'll take it off your hands. This next item, it's this gingham blazer. I am obsessed with blazers, so I will take any blazer I can get. A blazer is a quintessential piece, especially for the fall. Like, just throwing on a blazer with jeans, it really changes the game with your outfit. Like, you go from like casual to like dressy casual, and it's just with a blazer. Unfortunately, this has like huge shoulder pads, so I think I'm gonna have to take the shoulder pads out because it just looks like I have really broad shoulders. It's still my size though, because it says it's an extra small, so back then like the huge shoulder pads were really in. I think it's a really good oversized little blazer, so I'm gonna totally rock it. Ooh, a little camel colored sweater with some black jeans would be really cute with that outfit too. Anyways, moving on. Next item that I grabbed is actually something that I'm gonna give to my mom. This Mercedes-Benz scarf. Wait, where's this emblem? So you can see and it's just like so extra, and she was telling me that she bought this like 20 years ago when she had her first Mercedes, and she said she needed to get a scarf so she could like wrap it around and make like look super chic. She said she wore it like this, like tied up, and oh my god, I just realized it'd be really cute with this dress, you know, and some sunglasses. But I'm actually gonna give it to my mom. It's real silk. I just think it'd be so cute with my mom because she has a Mercedes. I think it'd be so cute if she wore it like this when she's driving around with her like big sunglasses. Like, my mom's very extra, so she's for sure gonna use this. The next item, oh my god, okay, this is where it gets like so good. Like, from here, guys, it's just gonna like keep getting better. Oh my god, I don't really shop for denim too much because I hate it. Denim doesn't really fit me well because I have, you know, big legs. I've got big thighs. I've got big calves from playing soccer for 17 years. So I decided to take a chance. They didn't have like a way for me to try on their clothes. The trick is to wrap the jean around your neck, and then if it touches at the ends, then that means it fits. I tried it on at home, and holy crap, you guys, these jeans fit so freaking well. I never find denim. It is a black high waist denim It's by the brand London Jean. Honestly, I've never heard of them. Maybe they're still around, maybe not. I personally would just cuff it like this because I already have black denim that has the raw hem. Oh my god, you guys, I fell in love. Next item that I grabbed was this gold metallic bag. In the next coming months, top handles are going to be very on trend. I read somewhere that metallics are actually making a comeback. I just liked the size of it, and I thought it would look cool with like a blazer and then some heels and then, you know, like a little like black outfit underneath. I really liked this one, and again, it was free. Oh my god, I like freaked out when I tried this on when I got home. Like, I ran out and showed my boyfriend, and I was like, holy crap, like today was definitely meant to be, because I've always wanted a pair of high-waist vintage Levi's that fit. That's the key word, that fit. I love the light wash of it, and it just looks very vintage. I don't know if I want to roll it up or if I want to cut it and make it a raw hem like my other kinds of denim. I don't have this color denim though, so I don't know, I'm a little scared to cut it, so I'm gonna have to think about it for a bit. I really loved the waistline, and it fit like a glove. I'm still tripping out. I'm like, how is this lady, even though she's like in her late 50s, she was tall. She was like around 5'9". It boggles my mind that we are the same size. Like, I'm sure not like lengthwise, like these fit her perfectly, but like, it's just crazy. Oh my god, I'm tripping out from this yard sale, you guys. Moving on to the last item, which I'm freaking out about. Okay, are you guys ready for the final item? It is a vintage Louis. It is, sorry, there's like popcorn in here. Is that what it's called? Well, I don't know. It is this vintage Louis Vuitton. It's called the, well, I knew the name of it before, but I forgot. Patent leather, light green, freaking gorgeous. Love the color. This is actually the first item that I saw, so like when I saw it, I like actually ran over there and I'm like, oh, what the heck? And at first I thought it was fake, because how could a Louis Vuitton be that price? And then when I started talking to the owner, that's when I realized she's bougie AF, so she doesn't really care too much to give it away. I was asking her like, oh, is this authentic? And she's all like, yes, it is. She said she bought it 20 years ago at the Louis store. And oh my god, I was even looking online, you guys, to see like how much this is still going for, and I think I saw it for like $300. The Louis Vuittons hold their price pretty well. The reason I'm guessing she priced it so low is because the strap is slowly tearing apart. There is a little mark right there. She was saying I could take it to the Louis store and then they can repair the strap. I was researching and it looks like it's gonna be around $150 to repair, which again isn't bad because these are still going for $300. I'm just like tripping out because I don't know, like if you think about it, like this is the price we gave her for everything that we bought. So like technically, this bag alone wasn't just $50, it was everything. So I'm gonna do the math right now and see how much it actually came out to for each item, just because that's how my brain processes. I did the math and it's around that. Like I technically I got this Louis Vuitton for $4. And I got my absolute favorite denim that I'm gonna rock like forever for $4. And this freaking luxurious jacket for $4. Like what the heck? Like, oh my god, it's just crazy how generous she was. I love my new, not my new, I love my pre-owned Louis Vuitton. I'm just so excited that I finally found a designer item after thrifting for like years and years. Like, woohoo! And it wasn't even at a thrift store, it was at a yard sale. But still, I'm gonna count it as thrifting. Yeah, it's just crazy to think like we stumbled upon it when we went on our date and found pieces that fit perfectly and found pieces for Quang that worked for his apartment. it was just such a great day, and I had so much fun spending it with my boyfriend and doing what I loved. And I was just really excited to get in front of the camera and share with you guys my finds, because you guys love it too, and it means a lot to me, and I'm getting really emotional and sappy here. So I'm gonna go now, but thank you so much for watching, you guys. I totally appreciate all the love and support you guys always give me. Let me know what you guys think about yard sales, and if you've ever shopped in a yard sale, what have you found? Because I'm so interested in knowing. Please be sure to subscribe and like this video if you want to see more yard sales, because maybe, like, I don't know, is this how yard sales always are? They'll just give you free stuff, and then if you buy like one item, or like, how does that work? Because I'm into it. So I think I'm gonna start actually like looking at yard sale places. All right, hugs and kisses. Bye, guys.